no real man can live without a woman. Like night to day, this is a woman to her man. Cause he's essential to his purpose and his mission. A good woman is a glory to her man. She'll never take the power, she'll just make him a better man. Every great man has a virtuous woman. Woman I love and honor. The Father had the light carrier, Hail Empress Omega. The mother Rastafari's culture revises to the king and his Empress Menin, who showed us the right and the true way of living. Woman could never cause sin, so listen as I sing. But the women on the earth, my joy bell